Hey, don't look back, man. I don't want y'all faces in here. I ain't signed no parental agreement. Yeah, don't turn around, man. I don't need to see your face in the camera. Turn around. Hey, for real. I don't want nobody facing the camera. All right. Let's go ahead and start working on. Let's do some of those simple problems. Oh. I got my mask on in the video. Okay, did we do number 2?
No.
Okay, give me number 2.
3M minus 6.
Hold on. 3M
Minus 6.
minus 6.
Equals 5M plus 8.
5M plus 8. Okay, hey, take the hood out, my man. Take the hood out. Take the hood out. Okay. Now, what's the first step? Distribute from yesterday. We already know. Do we have any parentheses?
No.
No. So what's the next step?
Combine like terms.
Combine like terms. Do we have any like terms on the same side of the equal sign? The answer is no. We have a variable, constant, variable, constant. So what we got to do now? As subtract the inverse, we got to get our variables on one side and our constants on the other side, right? Okay, so let's try to get our variables on the left side. So that means we got to take our variables on the right side and move it over. What do we need to do first? Subtract 5. 5, 3, 5M. It's a variable, so you got to subtract 5M. On both sides of my equal sign. Thank you for correcting. Alright, some people don't like having negatives on this side. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter at all. Okay, what is 3M minus 5M? Say it again, Gavin. Negative 2M. Alright, bring down my minus 6. Bring down my equal sign. What is 5M minus 5M? Opposite. They cancel out. Opposite cancel out. Leave me with 8. Not M plus 8. Just 8, baby. Okay. So now, I got rid of my variables on my right side. Now I get rid of my constants on the left side. What do I need to do to get rid of my constants on the left side?
Same thing, you gonna add.
Add what? Add 6.
Yeah.
On both sides of my equal sign, right? Okay, from left to right. What I bring down first? Negative 2M. What happened to my opposite?
They cancel out.
Negative 6 and positive cancel out. That leaves me with 14. Now I go to my next step after I did my addition, subtraction, inverse, got rid of my variables and my constants. I go to my next step, my multiplication and division inverse. Divide by 2. Negative 2 on both sides. So I divide by negative 2 on both sides of my equal sign. And my answer is that cancel out. Leave me with M.
Negative 7.
Y'all getting good at this. Getting good. Y'all number 2. Okay, I'm gonna do 4. I'm gonna do 4. 10. Did we do 14?
No.
So I'm gonna do what I just said I'm gonna do?
14.
You say you're gonna do 4.
4,
10.
10, 14. What I'm gonna do? Alright? That should help you out with your class work. Help me out.
R plus 6.
R plus 6.
Minus 5R.
Minus 5R.
Equals 14 minus 2R. distribute.
Okay, so distribute, go ahead, man, go ahead, that's what you
I'm
gonna do.
straight, I'm straight.
Distribute, yep.
But it ain't, you can't, right?
We don't have any parentheses. We don't have any number multiplied for parentheses.
Now combine like term.
Do we have any like terms on the same side, equal sign? Yes. Which one?
Or.
How many are?
One.
So one R,
And 5 are. Well, minus 5 are.
minus 5 R. We have it down this side.
No, sir.
So let's go ahead and do that on number 2. What is 1 R minus 5 R?
Negative 4 or.
Negative 4 R. Plus 6 equal 14 minus 2 R. Why you wondering about grabbing colors? It works better when I change colors, it understands different steps. I don't know, that's what they told me when I was in teaching, going to teaching school, so.
You are the teacher.
Well, when I go to college, that's for education. Okay, so what else? Do that. My addition, subtraction, inverse. Hey, come on, walk me, help me out.
Plus.
Huh?
Plus.
Plus 4. Huh?
4 or.
I got it too.
It is 2.
Add 2 on both sides.
Okay, so we're gonna get our variable to the left side, right? So I'm gonna add 2R.
Each side.
Now, were you wrong? Were you wrong? I'm asking a question. Were you wrong? Ask me yes or no. The answer is no. She wasn't wrong. I'm gonna show you why she wasn't wrong. I'm gonna show you why you wasn't wrong. But we've been doing it one way, right? But I'm gonna show you why we're not wrong in a second. Okay, so let's do this step. Left to right. Let's go. Negative 2R. Okay. Plus 6 equals 14.
No, they cancel out.
That cancels out. Out to the.
Same thing.
Huh?
Subtract 6 each side. Negative 2R plus. Oh, yeah.
Divide by negative 2 on both sides, yes. I mean, you cheating over there or something? No. You ain't never been that smart your whole life. Alright, okay, yeah, I ain't forget what the hell. Okay, so what step did we do? Okay, this is step 2. So I have, on step 2, I'm gonna start at step 2. Negative 4R plus 6 equal 14 minus 2R. Let me show you why you wasn't wrong. That's all like people say, oh, you were wrong. No, there's always more than one way to skin a cat. Okay, so she said add 4 to each side, right? Let's do that. Let's add 4 to this side. I'm gonna add 4R to this side. Okay, I'm gonna kind of speed through this one. Opposites cancel. And that leaves me with 6 equals 14 plus 2R. Right? So now, what do I need to do now? I get my constant on the left side because I have a constant on the ground here. So what I need to do? I have a plus 14, so what I need to do? I need to subtract 14. Okay, so 6 minus 14, that's a negative 8. 2R. Now I still have a 2 multiplied to my R. So I need to divide two. That gives me -4 equals R, right? That's the same thing. This is called the, don't tell me, symmetric property of equality. It's the equality of equality. Yeah. Alright, so now, this is the same thing. Right? Symmetry, mirror, it's the same thing. I just don't like my constant being first. That's why I always put my variables on the left side. But either way you can do it, it's not wrong. So don't think it was wrong. Codeine doesn't do it that way. No, doesn't make it wrong. You can do it that way. On the test. As long as you have these two are equal to one another, that's right. So I knocked out number 4, give me 10.
3B.
No, well, give me 10 push-ups. Give me 10. Give me number 10.
3B plus 16.
Hold on. 3B
3B plus 16.
plus C.
3B plus 16 equals
3B plus C.
16.
You said C.
I said 16.
16
Equals 5B
5B
plus 16
plus 16
minus 2B.
minus 2B. You did say 16 at first. So 3B plus 16 equal 5B plus 16 minus 2B.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay, so make sure I got the number right first. Cause they don't know what he doing. No, you don't know how to tell me the right answer. I'm gonna tell you the right problem. Okay. What is a triple? What we do first?
You don't have no parentheses.
You don't have any parentheses.
Combine like.
Combine like terms, which is
3B and 5B.
5B and negative 2B.
Oh.
Can't forget that sign. So I'm going to step 2, I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna bring down everything that doesn't have anything to do with what I'm doing. 5B minus 2B.
3B.
3B.
3B plus 16. Okay. Now, I'm gonna tell you with this one. I'm gonna tell you with this one right now. This right here is, it'll end up being all real numbers. Infinite many solutions. If I subtract 3B from either one, it's still gonna give me 0. If I subtract 16 from this side, I subtract 6, it's gonna give me 0. So that's infinite, already know infinite many solutions.
What's the answer?
Yeah, you put any number in there. If I put 1 in there, that'll work. If I put 2 in there, it'll work. If I put any real number in there, it's gonna work. Anybody want to test that solution? Anybody want to test it, see I'm right?
Yeah.
Give me a number.
14.
14. Okay. So if I put 14 in there, so let's say B equals 14, right? So now I say 14 plus 16 equals 3 times 14 plus 16. What is 3 times 14? 42. 42 plus 16 equals 42 plus 16. 42 plus 16. 58 equals 58. Is that true? Yes. Anything I put in there for B is going to be true. All real numbers, infinite many solutions. Now, if I put an imaginary number in there or an irrational number in there, then it's not going to be true. But if it's a real number, a rational number, integer, whole number, positive, any one of those numbers, if I put it in there, it's going to be correct.
So like 200.
That's a real number, right? Yeah, any real number. 3 million, 4 million, any real number. Got it? That number 4, huh?
I said we own them.
We on number 14? Now I'm almost done, right? I got no money for the thing. Okay. And let me do this one. I want to show y'all a faster way to do this too. But I don't want you to try. I'm just gonna show it to you. I'll show it to you at the end. All right, let's go.
4G.
Huh?
4G.
4G. I got 5G, brother. Huh? Oh, you talking about the problem? 4G.
Plus 3.
Plus 3.
In parentheses. G minus 2. Close parentheses. Equals. -5. Open parentheses. G minus 4. Close parentheses.
That's it.
Minus G minus 26.
First step. I got a couple different things I can distribute now. 3, 5. Okay. So what is that? This is my favorite shirt I stole. 3 times G.
3G.
3G. That's some of y'all phones up.
What?
3 times -2.
Negative 6.
-6. -5 times G.
-5 times G.
Negative 5.
-5G. -5 times -4.
20.
20G.
Plus 20.
Plus
Yeah, put it.
next step.
Okay.
Huh?
Combine my current.
Okay, I have a 4G. I have a plus 3G. I have a -5G. I have a -1G. I have a plus 20. I have a minus 26. Got it? So on my left side. On my left. 7G. Minus 6.
Equals -4G.
Huh?
No, it doesn't.
-6G.
-6G.
Oh,
Minus 6.
Minus 6. Minus 6. Alright. Okay. I am gonna show you something. Oh, we got another one of those problems. Go ahead. Let's go.
Plus 6G.
Plus 6G on both sides.
Equals -6.
that calculator. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Huh?
Add 6 on the
See both sides sign it down. They both calculate. So it'll be 13G.
13 times.
13G equals
0.
happened if we would have had G equals 13 divided by G? What would that be?
G equals 0.
You cannot divide
13, then.
by 0. So this will be undefined. You can see this in our next, look, our next chapter, when we get the graph. When you have vertical lines on the pointed plane, you have, and this is 2, and then you have the line that's saying x equals 2. Anytime you have these vertical lines, x equals 2 like this, that's undefined. And then you have a similar line like this. You have, and that's 2, and that's y equals 2. That's called a zero slope. This is an undefined slope. And this is a zero slope. Don't worry about this. I'm gonna go over this again. Don't worry about this one. I gotta take you this part first. Get to this one. I'm just letting you know when you see it. All right, let me show you. Give me one more. Give me an easy one. Go back to number 3. Give me an easy one. I'm gonna show you a trick. This is where I do mine. I teach y'all one way, and I do mine a different way. I'm gonna show you a trick that I do. This trick. Go ahead. Give me first. Give me the problem.
22 W
22 dub.
times W minus 42
42
equals 34 minus 16 W.
minus 16 dub. First step is distribute. Okay, distribute. Divide like terms. I don't have any like terms that's on the same side or either side. So I do variables on the left, constants on the right. I get my variables on the left, so I add 16 to both sides. 16W to both sides. What I do is, I go ahead and do my next step on the same line. I gotta get my compass to my right side, so I take that 42, I do the opposite, and I add it to both sides, and I'm finished on that line. Don't try this, because you're gonna get confused. But this is where I do mine. And then I work mine from left to right. That is 38W. That cancels. That leaves me with 76. And that cancels. So let me move my 38W over to some. 38W. And I go ahead and divide mine out. Divide mine out. And W equals, huh?
2.
I eliminate a lot of steps because I do mine at the same time. Huh? You say what? It look easy? Don't try it. Just go ahead and do the long way. Do variables first, then constant second. Why did you do mine on the same line? Alright, that's it. You may go ahead and finish the classwork.